Have you heard of nutritional yeast? This inactive yeast is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. It boasts an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients can significantly benefit your health. Nutritional yeast comes in flakes, granules, or powder form. It has a cheesy, nutty flavor that many enjoy. This makes it a popular ingredient in vegan cooking. Don't be fooled by its name. Nutritional yeast is not the same as baker's yeast or brewer's yeast. Unlike baker's yeast, nutritional yeast is inactive. This means it won't rise like traditional yeast. It's also different from brewer's yeast, a byproduct of beer brewing. Nutritional yeast is specifically grown for its nutritional value. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. Next, we'll delve deeper into the specific health benefits of nutritional yeast. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. It's crucial to adopt a heart-healthy lifestyle. This includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. Did you know nutritional yeast can play a role in cholesterol management? Studies have shown that nutritional yeast can help lower LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol. This type of cholesterol can build up in your arteries. This buildup can lead to heart attacks and stroke. Nutritional yeast contains a compound called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a soluble fiber found in the cell walls of yeast. Beta-glucan has been shown to bind to cholesterol in the digestive tract. This binding prevents cholesterol from being absorbed into the bloodstream. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, nutritional yeast can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Incorporating this nutritional powerhouse into your diet may help lower your risk of heart disease. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes. Nutritional yeast may offer benefits for blood sugar control. Chromium is a trace mineral that plays a role in glucose metabolism. Nutritional yeast is a good source of chromium. Chromium helps improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. When cells become more sensitive to insulin, they can better utilize glucose from the bloodstream. This leads to more stable blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that chromium supplementation may improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of nutritional yeast on blood sugar, the presence of chromium makes it a promising dietary addition for those managing diabetes. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of treatment for your individual needs. Pregnancy is a special time with unique nutritional needs. Nutritional yeast can be a valuable addition to a pregnant woman's diet. It provides essential nutrients that support both mother and baby. Folate is a B vitamin that is crucial during pregnancy. It plays a vital role in cell growth and development. Folate helps prevent neural tube defects in babies. Neural tube defects are birth defects that affect the brain and spinal cord. Nutritional yeast is a good source of folate. In fact, many types of nutritional yeast are fortified with folic acid. Folic acid is the synthetic form of folate. Adequate folate intake during pregnancy is essential for a healthy pregnancy. In addition to folate, nutritional yeast provides other nutrients important for pregnancy. These include iron, protein, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to the well-being of both mother and baby. Radiant skin, hair, and nails. Beauty from within. Healthy skin, hair, and nails are often seen as signs of overall health and vitality. While external factors play a role, nutrition is key for maintaining their strength and appearance. Nutritional yeast contains nutrients that can enhance your natural beauty from within. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is essential for healthy cell growth and development. It plays a crucial role in the health of your skin, hair, and nails. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss, brittle nails, and skin problems. Nutritional yeast is a good source of biotin. Including it in your diet may help support the growth of strong, healthy hair and nails. It may also contribute to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Its biotin content suggests it could be a valuable addition to your beauty regimen. B vitamins and mood, the sunshine vitamin and beyond. B vitamins play a crucial role in various bodily functions, including energy production and mood regulation. Nutritional yeast is an excellent source of several B vitamins, making it a valuable addition to your diet for both physical and mental well-being. One of the most well-known B vitamins is vitamin B12, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin B12 is essential for the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of a healthy nervous system. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even neurological problems. Nutritional yeast is a reliable source of vitamin B12, particularly for individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet, as B12 is primarily found in animal products. By incorporating nutritional yeast into your meals, you can help ensure adequate vitamin B12 intake and support your overall energy levels. Fiber and protein power, plant-based nutrition at its best. In a world increasingly focused on plant-based diets, nutritional yeast stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, packing a significant amount of both fiber and protein into each serving. This unique combination makes it an excellent addition to vegetarian, vegan, or simply health-conscious diets. Fiber, often overlooked in our modern diets, plays a crucial role in digestive health. It adds bulk to our stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Moreover, fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in our gut, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. Nutritional yeast is a surprisingly good source of fiber, providing a significant portion of your daily recommended intake in each serving. This makes it an easy and delicious way to boost your fiber intake and support a healthy gut. Gut health and immunity. Nurturing your inner ecosystem. A healthy gut is often considered the cornerstone of overall well-being. The trillions of bacteria residing in our gut, known as the gut microbiota, play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Nutritional yeast, with its unique nutritional profile, can contribute to a thriving gut ecosystem. As mentioned earlier, nutritional yeast is a good source of fiber, including prebiotic fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria in our gut. These beneficial bacteria, in turn, produce short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support gut health. By promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and reducing inflammation in the gut, nutritional yeast can contribute to a more balanced gut microbiota. This, in turn, can strengthen your immune system, as a large portion of our immune cells reside in the gut. Antioxidant defense. Protecting your cells from damage. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants, as their name suggests, help neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells from oxidative stress. Nutritional yeast contains a variety of antioxidants, including glutathione, a powerful antioxidant produced naturally by our bodies. Glutathione plays a crucial role in detoxification, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals, toxins, and heavy metals. By boosting our antioxidant defenses, nutritional yeast can help protect our cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Delicious and versatile. Incorporating nutritional yeast into your diet. One of the best things about nutritional yeast is its versatility in the kitchen. Its cheesy, nutty flavor makes it a popular ingredient in vegan cooking, adding a delicious, savory element to a wide range of dishes. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Sprinkle on popcorn. For a healthier twist on movie night, skip the butter and salt and sprinkle on some nutritional yeast for a cheesy, satisfying flavor. Stir into sauces. Nutritional yeast can add a creamy texture and cheesy flavor to pasta sauces, soups, and dips. Use as a topping. Sprinkle nutritional yeast over salads, roasted vegetables, or even avocado toast for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Make vegan cheese sauces. Nutritional yeast is a key ingredient in many vegan cheese sauces, adding a cheesy flavor and creamy texture. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own favorite ways to enjoy the delicious and versatile flavor of nutritional yeast. Embrace the power of nutritional yeast. In conclusion, nutritional yeast is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a wide range of health benefits, from lowering cholesterol and regulating blood sugar to supporting a healthy pregnancy and enhancing the beauty of your skin, hair, and nails. Nutritional yeast is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. Its rich content of B vitamins, including the crucial vitamin B12, makes it an excellent choice for those following a vegan or vegetarian diet, while its fiber and protein content contribute to satiety and overall health. Moreover, its antioxidant properties and gut health benefits make it a valuable ally in protecting our bodies from disease. Incorporating nutritional yeast into your diet is easy and delicious, with endless possibilities for adding its cheesy, nutty flavor to your favorite dishes. Embrace the power of nutritional yeast and experience the transformative benefits it can have on your health and well-being. For more information on nutritional yeast and other health-promoting foods, please visit nutritionfacts.org. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Together, let's spread the message of good nutrition for a healthier world.